Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products hitting the market. Today, we've got something truly special for all you DIY enthusiasts out there. If you're looking to take your Halloween decorations to the next level, you're in for a treat. Introducing the Mosaiz Stencils, the ultimate toolkit for crafting spooky, stylish, and downright spectacular Halloween decorations. With 20 pieces of high-quality drawing stencils, this set is a must-have for anyone looking to add a personal touch to their Halloween decor. What sets these stencils apart from the rest? Well, let's start with the variety. From letters and numbers to Halloween-themed designs, this set has it all. Whether you're creating a haunted house masterpiece or crafting custom trick or treat bags, these stencils have you covered. But it's not just about variety, it's also about quality. Made from durable, flexible plastic, these stencils are built to last. They're easy to use on any flat surface, from wood and canvas to walls and fabric. Plus, they're washable and reusable, so you can create spooktacular decorations year after year. But wait, there's more. These stencils aren't just for Halloween. With themes ranging from Christmas to birthdays to weddings, they're perfect for any occasion. So whether you're decking the halls or celebrating a special day, these stencils have you covered. So there you have it, folks. The Mosaiz Stencils, the best Halloween letter stencils on the market. With their unbeatable variety, quality, and versatility, they're sure to take your Halloween decorations from ordinary to extraordinary. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the products you love. Until next time, happy crafting!